7, I can hang out here, just kind of duck up next to the water tax thing and go right away.
Alright, keep coming. I'll be able to pass you just east of the Riverside Hotel. We're going to the second of the large one. You want to get to this level.
Okay, great.